DigitalBix Fashion. Cricket is one of the most popular and loved sports in India. Every child plays cricket because of the love they hold for the game. However, those who go on to take the sport as a profession need to invest in good cricket equipment. It is essential to have a good pair of cricket shoes in order to protect the feet from injury. To help you out in your cricket journey, we have curated a list of best cricket shoe brands in India. Number 1. Nodens. Nodens cricket shoes will provide the best experience while running around the field. Since the game involves a lot of running in between the wickets and also fetching, it is exceedingly important to have a great pair of shoes that can assist in running without putting any pressure on the feet. Number 2. Spartan. Spartan shoes have always been topping the list of cricket lovers because of their custom made shoes. The shoes have added padding and cushioning, and the mesh nylon and pure linen make the shoes breathable and lightweight at the same time. Number 3. Vector-X. Vector-X shoes are quite renowned and are some of the best in the low to mid-range segment for sports shoes. The cricket shoes provide fairly good padding and resistance to the feet and offer protection from impact as well as assist in good running. Number 4. Asics. Japanese brand Asics has been a kind of game changer in the world of cricket shoes, and not without reason. There are a number of first-line cricketers who use this shoe for training as well as for professional matches. Number 5. Feroc. Feroc shoes are one of kind and they come in interesting colors as well, which is sure to make the game of cricket more entertaining and stylish at the same time. The brand is known for its comfortable fit, and the shoes are also great for other kinds of sports activity. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.